What's good, traders? It's August 21st. Let's see if we can catch a trade today. Now, if y'all look to the right, y'all see an extra pair added. Since I haven't really been trading gold as much, I added UJ. So now I'm mainly going to be trading these 3 pairs, gold if it follows my plan, but EU, GU, and UJ are going to be my main pairs or my main assets that I base my trading around. Now to start off with EU, I can see that we are kind of consolidating in this range, but if you can see, this previous day high, this previous day low, we did end up coming below this swing right here without displacing, so I can potentially look for a reversal. On GU, we invalidated this fair value gap. Not really looking at GU as much. It's not as clear. Previous day high, previous day low. We didn't displace. Could potentially look for a reversal. And UJ, we did displace through previous day high. So I can potentially look for price to come up to this swing up here. EU and UJ are the main pairs that I'm looking at as of right now. EU on the 4 hour, as you can see, we didn't displace through this swing as well. On the 1 hour time frame, and also target relatively equal highs up here and this swing up here. On GU on the 4 hour, like I said, price didn't displace lower, so we potentially could catch a reversal. On UJ though, it looks like price is already heading towards this previous day high. We can also target up here and this high up here as well. Let me mark out my sessions right there. Okay, so we have previous day high and previous day low and this low resistance draw. And UJ, if price ends up coming back and sweep some form of sell side on the lower time frame as well, we are already about to take out this draw. So it looks like price is just moving. Market opens in about 25 minutes. We also have 7:30 red folder news, 8:45 red folder news, and 9 a.m. yellow folder and orange folder news. Hopefully I can be off the charts by 9 a.m. really before 8:45. On GU, price is in this 1 hour fair value gap. It looks like it's disrespecting, but we still have 20 minutes before this 1 hour candle closes. Let me mark out my sessions. GU is not really a pair that I'm looking to trade today unless price rejects away from this fair value gap, but if it ends up invalidating it, then I won't be looking to trade this pair today. Okay, looks like we're closing below this fair value gap. Looks like we ended up taking this draw. Both of these draws actually. As y'all see, we already took previous day high. We could continue to take out this swing right here. Alright, market opens in 5 minutes. I hope price reacts off this fair value gap because this is my model on a higher time frame. Alright, market is now open and looks like we couldn't get that close with Euro. I need a valid sweep. EU continues to fall. Looks like we're about to sweep this sell side. We ended up taking previous day high. Could we end up catching a reversal? Price did leave this hourly fair value gap though. Okay, looks like we're getting some moves up. If we can take this liquidity on Euro and then displace up, that is definitely what I'm looking for. And UJ, it closed below. Let's see if we tap into this hourly fair value gap. It looks like EU is respecting bearish PDRAs. UJ just went to the top of my pairs. If we can get a shift or break a structure off of this move and take this sell side liquidity, this could be A+. I wouldn't care about these fair value gaps if price ended up displacing through this swing, potential swing. GU, since we closed below this fair value gap and made another one, I'm really not interested in longing into an hourly fair value gap. We do have news coming up in like 9 minutes. If we can get some retracement, yes, that's what I want to see. This is all internal liquidity. It looks like price is just consolidating within this range. This is the lower high, this is the lower low. Price is not really making anything. We are in this hourly fair value gap. We have news coming up in 3 minutes. This news candle is going to determine whether we trade or not. We got 30 seconds. Looks like we're coming back. If we could displace higher on UJ, that's what I would like to see. Looks like we're displacing the other way. It's looking like this is the liquidity sweep. Possibly today is a no trading day. UJ is going the other way. And GU, I wasn't really interested in GU to begin with. I really wish EU swept some form of liquidity first. And Price couldn't get that to me, so Price is disrespecting these fair value apps, so I'm no longer interested in UJ. Today probably won't be a trading day for me. If you watched through this whole video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.